like and subscribe down below. Today I have a new video about matter. Matter is all around you. Like when you go to a park, there's slides, there's swings. It's solid, a state of matter. Like if you went to the beach, there's water. It's a state of matter. It is liquid. Now look what I'm gonna do. It is gas. Like when we breathe, our breath, yani. Matter has three states. The first state is solid. Solid, this is my violin, my instrument. Solid, we can hold it, like my violin. We can hold it. Yeah. And all here, there's the tongue. There's the tongue, which it's or like when we make meat or something, you hold it. It's also solid. All here, the things are solid, like my pencil case, my Lego, and this can. This can has tuna inside it. Tuna is also solid, and the can is also, we can hold it, and it's so harsh. Yeah, and also this flower, which is not real. Yeah. Now let's turn to another state, which is liquid. Now, look, this juice, orange juice, I like it, and it's also liquid. This is water. Coke, calming your breath. Then I'll drink that. Okay. Coke is also liquid. And water flows from our hand. Yeah, look, come. Look. Did you see, guys? Yeah. State, which is gas. Look what I'm gonna do. Look, there is Missy. I'm just joking. It's Misty. Okay, misty meaning is foggy. Yeah? Yes, we can't touch it. Did you ever catch air? We can't even see it. It's invisible. Like, now, do you see air? Where is it? When we breathe the oxygen, yes, and we exhale, we take it outside, yeah, which is carbon dioxide, yeah, which is not good. It's bad for our body. Yes, when we take them, yes, it is also a state of gas. Yes, and look at the sanitizer. This, yes, it's also liquid. Look, let me show you how it's inside it, the sanitizer. Look, it's all liquidy. Yes, and I forgot to tell you about my friend. Wait. Friend, Pink Panther. Say hi. Hi. How are you? Yes. Hello, guys. Hi. I love you. Did you notice something in the state of liquid? This is a juice, right? It's juice. Okay? It takes the shape of the bulb. This cocoa, it takes the shape of the glass. Just everything in the whole world. It's filled of water. It takes the shape of the kettle, which is inside the water. It takes the shape of it. And even, now I'll pour it for you. Look, guys, this also, it took the shape of it. And also, I'm going to tell you about the hygiene, the sanitizer. Yes, inside it, right in it, sanitizer, it takes the shape of also the container. And also, this bowl has water. It takes the shape of it. Yeah. Also, yani, it's all these, the liquid takes the shape of all the containers. to transform solid to liquid. This is an orange. Yes, and this is an orange squeezer. Now I'm gonna squeeze the orange and see here what will happen. Guys, did you see how the orange, which is solid, it transformed to liquid? The water has 3 states. The first state, I have an ice cube, which is solid, you know. It transforms to liquid. Look at that liquid. And it's water. The last state is vapor, which is gas. The water transforms to vapor. We can't catch it. It's invisible. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys!